Hello everyone, my name is Dan with Train Control Systems. In this video we will be introducing you to Keep Alive. Keep Alive, a registered trademark of TCS, was pioneered in 2012. Keep Alive was developed for the purpose of sustaining power to the locomotive over rough rails, unpowered turnouts, and dead track. Keep Alive charges a bank of supercapacitors which provide DC power to the decoder during a power interruption. In front of me here we have this Illinois Central locomotive here to demonstrate Keep Alive. We're going to turn on the prime mover and the bell and then cut power to the track and see how long it lasts. Alright, and now we'll turn on the bell. And I'm going to detach these alligator clips, which are the track power. See? So that's a pretty considerable amount of time right there. As you can see, the locomotive continued to make sound for several seconds before finally coming to a stop. The duration of this discharge time is based on the charge time as well as the power consumption. For example, if you are running a sound decoder with an older, less efficient motor, as well as several light functions, your Keep Alive will not last as long as a non-sound decoder with an efficient motor and no lights. Keep Alive is estimated to last between 5 and 15 seconds based on the conditions. Your results will vary. As the unit discharges and gets to the end of its charge, you may notice some oscillations in the sound and flickering of the lights. This is completely normal. If you are seeing this while you are running on your layout, you should clean your tracks and your wheels. Make sure you give Keep Alive a sufficient amount of time to charge before running over really rough track or dead rails, as it will not charge without a steady supply of rail power. The time required for a Keep Alive to reach full charge is approximately 30 seconds. Keep Alive will allow your decoder to execute the last command it has received, meaning if you turn off your layout, your engine will continue to run in whatever condition it was when the power was disconnected. If you are someone who does not stop your locomotives prior to turning your layout off, you will notice that your Keep Alive enabled locomotives will continue to run around your layout. If this is the case, you can press your E-stop or decelerate your locomotives prior to turning off your layout in order to prevent derailments or collisions with other locomotives. Keep Alive also works on DC, but the performance of the unit will depend on the track voltage applied to it. You will need a decoder in order to use Keep Alive on DC, however, because Keep Alive can only charge or apply the DC voltage in one polarity. All TCS decoders have the ability to run on DC, so if you have a unit which has a Keep Alive built in or as an external component, you can have better performance on any DC track as well. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you want to stay up to date on the latest news and tutorials from TCS, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Happy modeling!